these heroes to show you the way.
PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. 'Cause bedtime is the right time to fight crime. I can't think of a rhyme. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks!
Catboy's Flying Fiasco. Zooms!
Hey, Connor, ready to check out the hot air balloon ride?
Oh yeah, I can't wait to fly above the city. It's going to be amazing.
Flying is pretty incredible.
Hey, where did this come from? Huh?
Wow,
It's an amazing scooter. A present from my great aunt Cynthia?
excellent. Wait, you have a great aunt?
Actually, I don't remember having one, but she must be cool.
That scooter looks kind of familiar.
Yeah, maybe you should double check where it came from before you ride it, Connor.
No way, it's fine. I've never seen anything like this scooter before. Come on, slowpokes.
Too bad.
What's going on?
The balloon's gone missing, so no more rides.
What happened?
No one knows. The hot air balloon just vanished overnight.
I was really looking forward to it.
I guess the wind could have blown it away.
Or someone cut the ropes and flew it away.
Right, and we're going to find out who. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
It's the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy.
The PJ Masks!
Wait, you're taking your new scooter?
Yeah, it'll come in handy.
But it's just a regular scooter.
What's this button for?
I don't know.
Whoa!
This scooter really is awesome.
Woohoo!
Careful! Flying takes a lot of practice.
Really? It seems pretty easy to me.
Whoa!
See? Totally easy. I'm so good at this. Oops.
Okay, but just be careful. To the owl glider.
Sure, you guys go in the owl glider, but follow me. Maybe you can learn some of my amazing flying skills.
I'll show you some flying skills.
Whoa!
Yeah!
But, shouldn't we be looking for the hot air balloon?
By my cat's whiskers.
What's he pointing at? Owl eyes. There, Luna Girl.
Whoa! Wriggling reptiles. I think I might walk from now on.
Did you see how well I flew here? Keep an eye on me, Owlette, and maybe you can learn some of my tricks.
Tricks? But you nearly fell.
Yeah, I'm amazing on this bad boy, right? My flying's really going to help the team.
You're flying? Aren't you forgetting someone else who can fly?
Come on, guys. Maybe you can both help the team with flying.
Nice painting, Moth. No more balloon rides for those silly daytime kids. Now this moony balloon is all mine!
You guys keep on the lookout. I'll swoop in on my scooter and get the hot air balloon.
That's going to take some tricky flying.
Don't worry, Owlette. You can leave that to me. With my flying skills, it'll be easy.
Really?
Guys, don't argue. Maybe I could get the balloon with my super gecko camouflage.
Camouflage is cool, but not as cool as I am on my scooter. Watch this. Hey, Luna girl, give up the balloon.
Oh, it's the little kitty. You want the balloon back? Well, please, be my guest.
Whoa!
Ha!
Ah! It's okay, I've got it.
Looks like the kitty got thrown for a loop.
Oh no! Slithering serpents, are you okay?
Yeah, like I said, it's easy.
Why don't you use your super cat speed to distract Luna Girl while I fly in to get the balloon?
No, I've got this. My amazing flying is totally going to save the day.
No way! It's too dangerous!
It's okay, I can do it. I'm great at flying.
Owlette, Catboy, does it matter who flies? Why don't
Not
you...
now, Gecko.
In a minute.
Okay, you guys keep arguing then. I'll go and get the balloon.
I don't think you'll need to fly, Owlette. Not when I'm so good at it. Right, Gecko? Hey, he's gone. I'd better fly to him.
Catboy, wait!
Relax, Gecko. I'll handle this.
What?
The pussycat is here for another flying lesson.
Huh? What's happening?
Catboy!
Is Luna Girl making him do that?
Let's see. Owl Eyes! Yes, she is! With her Luna magnet.
Wait a minute. I knew that scooter looked familiar. It's just a disguised Luna board.
You left Connor that super scooter. There is no great Aunt Cynthia, is there?
You've been controlling it the whole time.
No, I didn't.
You just did it again!
Okay, you finally figured it out. But too late. You'll never get my Mooney balloon. You'll be too busy helping the busy kitty. Ha! See how I tricked that pussycat moths? It's so funny.
Come on, Gecko. We have to rescue Catboy.
Who says cats can't fly? But I'm busy. By the time they catch him, me and my Mooney balloon will be long gone. Let's fly, Moth. What happened? The ropes came loose when that PJ Pussycat got tangled in them? Why didn't you tell me before?
The balloon! Owlette, go after Catboy. I'll catch up with the balloon. I can do this! Whew. Or maybe not.
Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Help!
Catboy!
Whoa! Where did you learn to fly like that? I could never have done that. You're amazing! Thanks. I guess I've been pretty silly about flying today. I'm really sorry.
It's okay, Catboy.
Luna Board! Oh, my dear Luna Board. So nice to have you back.
It's time to be a hero. We need your amazing flying to stop that balloon and save Gecko.
Thanks. Let's do it together.
Super Cats, Owl Wings!
Make way, Luna Girl. I've got to save Gecko.
Never!
Owl Wing win! Gecko!
Gasping geckos, I'm in trouble now.
Super Cat, leap! might come in handy after all.
Oh, stop that! Ooh, you PJ Pets always wreck my plans! Put my Luna magnet down, Mom! You're making the scooter go crazy!
Well, we won't be seeing her again for a while.
Now let's fix that balloon and get it back.
So everyone can have a balloon ride. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!
I don't think I did a very good job patching up that balloon.
It looks awesome, Connor. And I know it wasn't easy.
Just like flying.
At least no one has to argue about that anymore. Someone else is flying this time. Gecko stay-at-home sneezes.
I can't believe the comic store has the first issue of the Flossie Flash comic. We can finally find out how she got her powers.
It's the only copy left in the world. Everyone will want to see it. We'd better check when the store opens.
Good idea. Achoo!
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
You've got some serious sneezes, Greg. Shouldn't you stay inside until you're better?
Hey, there's a message from the comic store. The first ever Flossie Flash is missing.
Oh no, that's impossible!
We have to find out who took it and get it back.
You've got some serious sneezes, Greg. Shouldn't you stay inside until you're better?
Maybe we should take care of this nighttime trouble without you.
A sneeze won't stop Gecko. I'm coming. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gecko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks!
Achoo! Sorry. Achoo! I'm okay. Achoo!
Whoa! Now that you're Gecko, you've got super sneezes.
And with super sneezes, you shouldn't be running around outside.
No way! I want to come with you guys.
No, I think you'd better stay here with the picture player.
To the Owl Glider, Catboy!
You can keep in touch with the PJ communicators.
Testing.
Great! We hear you loud and clear.
Now let's fly!
Fiddlesticks! Those PJ Pets, they left Gecko behind. Okay, Moths. I'll take care of those two. You see what you can do about lizard legs.
Being stuck inside is so boring. Luna Girl! I need to tell the others! But wait, what if they need my help? I'll go tell them myself! Wow, that was close.
Nothing. No clues at all.
Wait, cat ears.
Achoo!
I don't know what that is, but let's go see.
Slithering serpents! This super sneeze is very powerful. Super Gecko muscles!
What bit this lamppost?
Keep your owl eyes open. It could be a villain. Gekko! We thought you were a villain.
I just wanted to tell you that Luna Girl is headed to the school.
Why didn't you use the PJ communicator?
Well, I thought you might need my help.
You'll never get rid of your super sneezes if you don't stay inside.
I know. I'll go back.
Okay, and we'll head to the school.
Warn us if you see something.
Oh. Moths nearby. That means Luna Girl. It's just outside. I should tell the others. But if I follow it, then maybe I can see what it's up to. That's a much better idea. Hey! I better follow that mothball. It'll lead me right to Luna Girl. Wait for me, mothball.
So what if it's the first issue? Still boring. Gecko's following you? That means he's left the HQ. My other moths are trying to open the bay door. With Gecko out of HQ, my plan is finally working. Soon, PJ Mask HQ will be mine. All mine! There she is. Huh? Can't catch me.
Where did that moth go? Huh? I knew they'd need me. Super Gecko camouflage.
What?
Owl ring ring!
Okay, Luna Girl, hand over that first issue of Flossy Flash. Oh, hey! Gecko, are you messing with the remote vehicle controller in HQ?
What's that?
That's my moths in your HQ, kitty. And that's my signal to take it over. Now it belongs to me.
Super cat speed! Not so fast, Luna Girl. Your moths couldn't get in. Gecko's at HQ.
Sorry, guys. I'm right here.
Say goodbye to your HQ, PJ Pests. Gecko, you were supposed to stay inside.
I know. I'm sorry. But Luna Girl isn't in HQ yet. We need to get back as fast as we can.
We'll go, Gecko.
I know how I can still be useful.
Moths, why haven't you opened the bay door? Open it now.
Oh no! The door's opening for Luna Girl!
Gecko! I should have stayed inside like you said. We'd have the comic back and HQ would be safe. But now, it's time to be a hero. You go after Luna Girl and I'll help you from inside.
Way to go, Gecko! Step away from the HQ, Luna Girl.
When that door opens all the way, I'm going in and you're staying out. Stay back, or Flossy Flash gets it.
Shoo! Shoo!
Well done, Moth.
Catboy, Owlette, a moth jammed the door open. It won't close. Block the bay door until I can get it shut.
Aha! Not so fast, Luna Girl. Owl Wing wins!
Aha! I've got your precious comic, PJ Pest. So if you don't want anything to happen to it, you'd better not try and stop me.
Oh, Luna Girl. Huh?
Ow! But who's flying this thing?
I am.
Nice one, Gecko.
You help Owlette, Catboy. I've got Luna Girl.
Shoo! Shoo!
Ugh! You asked for it, PJ Pests! Say goodbye to your precious comic.
No! Super Cat jump! Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! You're too heavy! I can't hold you! Thanks, Gecko.
You're welcome.
Lucky catch. But now you've left the door wide open. Gotcha again, PJ Pests.
You forgot someone.
Let me out, you sneaky lizard!
Not until I secure HQ by closing the bay door. And now I can let you out.
Yay! Ugh! I can't believe I was defeated by a sneezy lizard.
Even if he has to stay inside with the super sneezes,
Gecko's an important part of the team.
Come on, Moths. You won't stop me next time, PJ Party Poopers.
PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!
poor Greg. He helped save Flossy Flash issue 1, but now his sneezes are worse. He'll be stuck inside even longer. Let's make sure he's not too bored. Hi, Greg. How are you doing?
I'm great! Staying indoors is so much fun! I've made up my own comic book hero. Look, the amazing sneezing kid. He fires himself backwards with his super sneeze.